Now let's talk about conduction of electricity. So metals are good conductors of electricity, whereas non-metals are not good conductors of electricity in general cases. So again, for this we will do an activity. For this activity, we take up a cell. We join the ends of cell with wires, and at the end of wires we have clips. Here we have a switch. And again here we have a clip. We also add a bulb in between. So in this activity, we have made a circuit. We have a cell, we have a bulb, we have a switch, and we have clips of the wire. Now, what we have to do in this activity is that in this gap in the circuit, the gap that we have here, we can put in different kinds of elements and check if they conduct electricity or not. So let's label this gap as AB. In this gap AB, we can insert different metals and non-metals and see if they conduct electricity or not. You will observe that when you put in metals here, the bulb lights up. But when you put in non-metal, the bulb does not light up. This shows that metals conduct electricity, whereas non-metals do not conduct electricity. So the observation is that metals are good conductors of electricity. You can do this by demonstrating this activity. And if you're asked a question regarding this activity, it is expected that you draw this circuit and you show the observation for different elements when put in the gap AB.